A marketing plan is an operational document that outlines an advertising strategy that an organization will implement to generate lead and reach its target market. A marketing plan details the outreach and PR campaign to be undertaken over a period, including how the company will measure the effect of these activities. The function and components of marketing plan include the following: market research, support pricing decision and new market entries, tailored messaging that target certain demographic and geographic areas, platform selection for products and service promotion, digital radio, internet, trade magazine and the mix of those platforms of each campaign. Metrics, the measure of result marketing efforts and their reporting timeline. A marketing plan is based on a company overall marketing strategy. The marketing plan details the strategy that a company will use to market products to customers. The plan identifies the target market, the value proposition of the brand or the product, the campaign to be the initiated, and the metrics to be used to assess for effectiveness of marketing activities. The marketing plan should be adjusted on the ongoing based on the finding from the metrics that show which efforts are having on impact and which are not. Digital marketing shows results in near real time, whereas TV ads requires nation realize any level of marketing penetration. A marketing plan is part of business plan which describe all the important aspects of a business such as a goal, value, mission, statement, budget and strategies. The team the term marketing plan and marketing strategy are often used intro-technology based because a marketing plan is developed based on an overreaching strategic framework. In same case, the strategy and the plan may be incorporated into one document, particularly for similar companies that may only run one or two major campaigns in a year. The plan outlines marketing activities on a monthly, quarterly, or annual basis, while the marketing strategy outlines the overall value proposition. A marketing plan considers the value proposition of a business. The value proposition is the overall promise of a value to be delivered to the customer and is a statement that appears front and center of the company website or any trading material. The value proposition should state how a product or brand solves the customer problem, the benefits of product and brand, and why the customer should be buy from this company and another one. The marketing plan is based on the value proposition to the customers. The most effective digital techniques in 2020 according to the marketing are content marketing and marketing automation. The marketing plan identifies the target market of a product or brand. Market research is often the base of a target market and marketing channel decision. For example, whether the company will advertise on the radio, social media, through online ads or on regional TV. The marketing plan include the rationale for the decision. The plan should focus on the certain timing and placement of specific campaign and include the metrics that will measure the customer of marketing efforts. A marketing plan can be adjusted at any point based on the result from the metrics. If digital ads are performing better and expected, for example, the budget of campaign can be adjusted to fund a higher platform performing, or the company can intellate a new budget. The challenge of a marketing lead is to ensure that every platform is sufficient time to show result. Digital marketing shows result in real time, where TV ads require rotation to release any level of marketing penetration. In the traditional marketing mix model, a marketing plan would fall under the category of promotion, which is one of the 4 Ps, a term coined by Neil Bowden to describe the marketing mix: production, price, promotion, and place. Marketing plan versus business plan. A business plan details how our business will operate and function in its entirety. A business plan is a roadmap for a business. It will over the goal, mission, value, financial, and strategic that the business will use in day-to-day operate and the achievement of its objective. A business plan will include a executive summary, the product and service sold, a marketing analysis, a marketing strategy, financial planning, and a budget, to name but a few items. As mentioned, a business plan will include a marketing plan which focus on set creating a marketing strategy on how to bring answers to the public of the company product to service, how to reach the target market and generate sale. John come up with a new business idea that he believes is a nice offering in the market. Inside a start business to the first step is creating a business plan to the outline of all the objective goal, value, pitfalls, and finance of his company. John is able to raise enough capital from the friends and family to get started, hires a few employees, and eventually creates his products. He knows has to start selling his product and generate sales to keep his business operating. To achieve this, John, with the help of marketing company, creates a marketing plan. The marketing plan consists of marketing research that detail the target market from the John market, which is recently retired man. A marketing plan template is a document that is individual can use to create a marketing plan. The marketing plan template will contain all the important element are the various needs through language with the blank section. A user can insert their own information related to their business in the blank section to ultimately create their own marketing plan. The executive summary is marketing plan provide a brief overview of the entire marketing plan. The executive summary will contain the key finding of the marketing research, the company objective, marketing goal, on overview of the marketing trend, the description of the product or service being marketed, information on the target market, and how the financial plan of the marketing plan. A top-down marketing strategy is a traditional marketing strategy. This is where a business determines who it should sell and how, and the customer base is largely passive and support to take action once they hear the advertisement. For example, a top-down marketing strategy would include ads on radio or television. Top-down marketing strategies are usually determined by the executive of a firm. It usually consists of what a firm desires to do and then determining a way to do it. A bottom-up marketing strategy focuses on discovering of workable strategy and the building on the strategy to create impactful advertising campaign. Today, customers want to relate to our products on service a magnificent way, and a bottom-up marketing strategy is better suited to this. A bottom-up marketing strategy should focus on the target market and how better to create value of them. A marketing plan is the advertising strategy that is a business will implement to the sell in product or service. The marketing plan will help determine who the target market is, how best to reach them, at what price point to product or should service be sold, and how the company will measure the efforts. The cost of marketing plan vary based to the company, the complexity and the length of overall strategy. The cost on range anywhere from 10,000 US dollars to 40,000 US dollars.